Are you tired of tangled cords or gas fumes just to clean your car or patio? It is a hassle. The Fanttik Pro Cordless Blower gets rid of those hassles. The single most praised feature that customers mention when I did my research is the powerful performance despite its size, and I can agree with that. 80,000 RPM airflow. Honestly, I was shocked the first time I turned this thing on. Here's a small blower acting like it's a big blower. This blower is going to be really effective for jobs around your house. This blower weighs less than 2 pounds, and I think that's pretty dang awesome. While I was researching, some people said it was underpowered for real yard work. Hey, no kidding, it's a small leaf blower under 2 pounds. Here's what you're going to feel. It's going to feel like a jet engine in your hand. It would not be for you if you're trying to do huge jobs. Is it worth it? Well, if you need something quick and portable for around your house tidying, yes, absolutely. In my opinion, this blower is a definite buy.